Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? A huge news from Facebook. Facebook shops are coming. They just made this announcement a couple of days ago, and basically what this is, as a small business owner, you will be able to sell your products on Facebook and Instagram seamlessly. And by seamlessly, what I mean is when people go to purchase your products on your Facebook page or let's say Instagram business page, they will not have to click and go to an external website, let's say WordPress.com or Shopify. They can buy your product right from your accounts on Facebook and Instagram, from your pages. So the experience is going to be fast, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be seamless, right? So first of all, a couple of things I want to show you in this video today. Here is the link to the article, the news release from Facebook. I will leave the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out because they talk about this feature. It's coming very soon. And by the way, if you are in the United States, some of you already have access to this, so you can go set up your shops, your Facebook shops on Facebook and Instagram right away. If you live outside the United States, just hang in there. You will get access to this very soon, because I know Facebook is just trying to help the small businesses or local businesses. Because of these crises, a lot of businesses are shut down, right? So they're not able to do the business like they used to before these crises. So they're already thinking about moving their products or moving their business online. And I think Facebook shops is gonna help them big time. Now, one other thing I wanna show you. So this is how the example of how this might work. So for example, if I zoom in, so here's the account Ink Meets Paper, and this is their shop. When people click on that, so they're able to see different sort of like the category of products they have. So here's the category 1, another one, and when people click on shop, they're able to see different products. So look at this. So they're able to see all these products, and when you click on these products, the next screen is sort of like the checkout. Now people are able to, just like how on let's say Amazon.com we have add to cart. Now they're able to add to the bag and complete their purchase, complete the checkout on Instagram, on Facebook. You do not, the biggest thing is people don't have to leave these platforms and go to an external website. That's the biggest thing. That's the biggest sort of like difference, because we were always able to run ads and sell products on or do e-commerce on Facebook and Instagram, but now the difference is going to be, it's going to be seamless, it's going to be easy. And as they roll out this feature and as I get access to more and more stuff, I will create more detailed tutorials and more detailed videos for you guys on my channel. In this video today, I wanted to share this news because I'm super excited. I think this is gonna make me jump into e-commerce again. I might create some of my own brands, some of my own products, because I think it's gonna be, if you are selling products online, or if you're thinking of selling products online, this is gonna make your life easier, much easier. So yes, make sure you check out this article. The link is going to be below in the description. It will give you more details on the rollout. Now, let me go to my Instagram because I want to show you how the experience, how this is going to look and feel like. So I'm going to go to my Instagram. Here's my Instagram. I'm already signed in. And let's go to that account, Ink Meets Paper. So Ink Meets Paper right here. Now let's go through this together, and I think you'll really love this. So here's the feed, and now I'm gonna click on this shop icon because I want to go check out their shop. And here is their shop. How cool. And now when I click on sort and filter, I can click on buy on Instagram. So this means now I will only see products that I'm able to purchase on Instagram without leaving the platform. And for example, let's say I want to purchase this thing right here. I can click on this, and then I can read more description about the product. And then let's say if I do want to purchase this, I'll click on add to bag, and this is going to add it to my bag or add it to my cart. And then next step, obviously, so I have several other products. Let me because I was testing this earlier. And then let's say if I do, let me go back, add to the bag. If I do want to check it out, I'll click on proceed to checkout, and then Instagram will ask me, or Facebook will ask me for the information, my billing and maybe my credit card information to send me that item. Leave the checkout, yes, leave. So you see how the the experience of buying products is going to be super easy for people, and as a business it's going to be a great opportunity for you to move your business from physical products or offline to online. And if you have been investing, which everyone should be or should have been investing into building your brands on Facebook and Instagram.com, guess what? Now you will be able to leverage your time, your effort, the brand you have built, the audience, and you will be able to monetize your audience by using Facebook Shops on both of these platforms. There's a lot more coming. They have made a lot of these announcements. You will be able to, the loyalty programs are coming. The live shopping features are going to become, Instagram Shop is coming, so they've announced tons of features, and as they roll out and as I get access to these, I will create more detailed tutorials, step-by-step videos for you as a business owner. I'm sure you're thinking, how do I create this? So I will create more tutorials on that as well. Right now, I was super excited. I wanted to share the news with you. Go consume, read this article, and then look at the Inkney Paper account on Instagram and look at get a feel of that experience and see how this will feel like for your audience to purchase products from your Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. And also, before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.